Hello friends, today's video regarding Ulefone Note 18 Ultra 5G smartphone. Ulefone has launched a new smartphone, the Note 18 Ultra. The manufacturer claims this is the best value 5G phone. That branding is appropriate for a low-cost smartphone. The phone comes in moonlit white, titanium grey, and lustrous black, and it has a 3D petal back glass design. It is true that the backplate has an unusual appearance. The phone is also relatively thin, measuring 8.85 millimeters. The rear glass features an incredible AG coating and a 3D petal pattern, resulting in a radiant, glossy surface that shimmers with rippling magnetic particles. This phone's 8.85mm thin profile and precise craftsmanship make it ergonomic and comfortable to hold. The camera island on the Ulefone Note 18 Ultra is in the upper left corner, and the device has two cameras on the back. The phone's edges are chamfered, while the sides are flat. The top has an audio jack that is included. A 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a focal length of 117.3 degrees and a 50-megapixel main camera, Samsung GN1 sensor, are mounted on the back. The package also includes a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Note 18 Ultra has numerous cutting-edge camera features, including 4K video recording, AI scene recognition, which automatically modifies settings to take the best possible pictures, and night mode, which allows for incredible low-light photography. Samsung's ISOCELL GN1 camera sensor boasts a large 1.31-inch sensor size and a 1.95 aperture, allowing users to capture every moment with unparalleled clarity and definition. The Note 18 Ultra's 117.3 degrees wide-angle lens consistently produces excellent results, whether it is used to capture wide-angle landscapes or close-up portraits. Its flawless hardware and software integration allows users to express themselves creatively while also ensuring that memories are recorded with unparalleled accuracy and detail. The remaining physical buttons are located on the left, while the power lock button is on the right. Above them are volume rocker buttons and a physical, customizable key. The front panel features a display camera hole in the center. The bottom bezel is thicker than the rest of the phone's bezels. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display. It comes with 6 GB of RAM by default, but you can increase it to 12 GB using virtual RAM. Furthermore, 256 GB of storage is included, however, 2 additional TB of storage can be added. The MediaTek Dimensity 720 chip, which powers the Note 18 Ultra, was created using a cutting-edge 7nm process. Users can enjoy seamless multitasking thanks to the generous 256 GB ROM capacity, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card, and 6 GB of RAM, which can be expanded to 12 GB. With a 388,163 AnTuTu 10 score, this device provides a fast and fluid user experience. Because security and usability are its top priorities, the Ulefone Note 18 Ultra includes face unlock and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Users can use their favorite wired headphones with the 3.5mm headphone jack. The Type-C port supports 18W fast charging, resulting in faster charging, and the 5,450 mAh battery lasts longer, up to 30 hours for talk time and 12 hours for video playback. The infrared remote feature allows users to operate compatible appliances such as air conditioners and televisions. Not to mention, the Note 18 Ultra includes a cutting-edge personalized key feature. This feature, located on the phone's left side, lets you open your favorite apps with a single, double, or long press. It also provides quick access to a variety of features, including the torch, screenshots, Zello, SOS, and more. It improves the overall user experience and is designed to be a physically accessible button. The powerful new 5G phone, the Ulefone Note 18 Ultra, is now available for just $149.99 from the official Ulefone stores on AliExpress. Experience lightning-fast speeds, breathtaking images, and powerful performance, all at a significantly lower cost. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share,